Nervous about DMs, parties, or saying hi? Try a 30-second confidence hack. You overthink the first line. You freeze. Your heart races and you feel stuck. Small social moments suddenly feel huge. Here's the 30-second hack, rooted in self-affirmation and embodiment research. 0 to 5s. Inhale slow. 5 to 15s. Open your chest. Stand tall or sit with shoulders back for 10 seconds. 15 to 22s. Say one short affirmation out loud. I can ask one question. 22 to 30s. Pick a tiny social goal, one question or a quick compliment. Smiling and posture often shift how you feel. Do this before a DM, call, or walk into a room. It can nudge your confidence fast. Try it now, 30 seconds before your next social move.